Linking your bank account to the Dave app is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Download the Dave app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store to download the Dave app. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access the banking section. After logging in, navigate to the banking section of the app. This is usually found in a main menu or dashboard where you can manage your financial settings. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Look for the option to link a bank account. Tap on this option to begin the process of connecting your bank account to the Dave app. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROOK to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your bank details, follow any additional prompts to confirm and complete the linking process. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the connection. Once your bank account is linked, you can easily manage your finances through the Dave app. Enjoy the convenience of tracking your spending and accessing financial services directly from your mobile device.